Hello students, today we are going to learn our 8th lesson. Lesson number 8, Pit Pet's Journey. Lesson number 8, Pit Pet's Journey, page number 85. So before starting reading our lesson aloud, let us do our first exercise on page 85. So get set to do our exercise. So here, lesson number 8, Pit Pet's Journey. How does water travel from the ocean to the clouds and back to the ocean? Write the numbers in the circle. Here we have sea and ocean, air and sky, clouds, rain, hills and plains, river and back to ocean. So here, first we have here the raindrops are here. Due to sun, it evaporates and goes up and forms a cloud. It goes up to the sky and forms cloud. From this, then there's a big cloud here, and through that it comes rain, and rain comes down to the hills and to the sea, to the rivers and back to the ocean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sea and ocean. Then we have the second one here, the sky, air and sky. Then we have clouds here, then we have a cloud here. From there rain comes down and back to the ocean. So let us get set to read our lesson, Pit Pet's Journey. Pit Pet, the raindrop, was sleeping on a wave in the ocean. As the sun rose, he opened his eyes lazily. The day grew warm. Soon it was very hot. Pit Pet stretched his arms and looked up. There was a dark cloud, a grey cloud in the sky. It looked cool. Oh, it's really hot. That dark place really looks cool. It will be nice up there. Just then, Pit Pet felt lighter and warmer. He was rising up in the air. Soon, Pit Pet was in a cloud. He met many drops there. One of them was Drip Drop. Hello, I am Drip Drop. Have you come for a ride too? Hey, I have come to cool off. It was so hot in the ocean. Where am I? And what are those fluffy things? You are with other tiny drops of water. The fluffy things are clouds. Lots of drops like you and me join together to form a cloud. Where is the cloud going? To those mountains there. It looks they are going to be a storm. Get ready for some excitement. It is going very fast. Suddenly there was thunder. A cloud began to bounce. The tiny raindrops joined each other to form a large drops. The large drops became very heavy. Pit Pet, Drip Drop got ready to fall on the earth as rain. A lot of other raindrops joined them and they all began to fall down together. Look, Drip Drop, that would be a good place to land. Oof, here we come. Pit Pat and Drip Drop looked down as they fell. They saw a little stream flowing through some fields. They slid down on a rock and fell on a leaf floating down the stream. This is fun. Smell the fresh air. Hey, we are going faster. After some time, the stream joined a river, and the river later joined the ocean. So Pit Pat and Drip Drop flowed back into the ocean. Every second, every day, millions of drops of water go on this journey. We are moving slowly now. We are joining the river. When the sun shines brightly, they get very hot. They rise up as air. In the sky, they join other drops to form clouds. The clouds fall on the earth as rain. This is where I started. We are back in the ocean. So students, as I have read to you this lesson, Pit Pat Journey, now I am going to explain to you this lesson. Here we have Pit Pat. He is sitting on the wave in the ocean. Here we have Drip Drop. So, students, let us get set to understand and to learn this lesson. This lesson speaks about the water cycle, how the small drops from the ocean go up in the sky, join together, and they form a cloud. And the cloud comes down as rain on the earth. So let us start our story of the lesson, Pit Pat's Journey. Pit Pat was a raindrop who lived in the ocean. Ocean means a big sea filled with water. He was sleeping on the wave in the ocean. As soon as the sun rose, Pit Pat, the raindrop, opened his eyes lazily. It was very hot and warm. Pit Pat, the raindrop, stretched out his arms and looked up in the sky. There he saw a dark grey cloud in the sky. It looked very cool. Just then, Pit Pat felt lighter and warmer, and he was rising up in the air. Pit Pat Raindrop said, "Oh, it's really hot. That dark place really looks cool. It will be nice up there." Soon, Pit Pat Raindrop reached a cloud in the sky, and there he met one raindrop named Drip Drop, and many other raindrops in the sky. When Drip Drop said to Pit Pat, Drip Drop introduced herself to Pit Pat and said, "I am Drip Drop. Have you come for a ride too?" Pit Pat said to Drip Drop, "Hey, I have come to cool off. It was very hot in the ocean." When Pit Pat saw a cloud, he asked Drip Drop, "What are those fluffy things?" Drip Drop said to Pit Pat, "You are with other tiny drops of water. The fluffy things are clouds. Lot of drops of water like us join together to form a cloud. A cloud were moving in the sky So Pit Pat asked Drip Drop, "Where is the cloud going?" So Drip Drop told Pit Pat that the clouds are going to those mountains, and there it is going very fast. So Drip Drop told Pit Pat, "It looks like they're going to be a storm." And Pit Pat said, "Get ready for some excitement." So both Pit Pat and Drip Drop hold their hands tightly. Suddenly, there was a thunder. A cloud began to bounce up and down. The tiny raindrops joined each other to form large drops. The large drops became very heavy. Pit Pat and Drip Drop got ready to fall on the earth as rain. A lot of other raindrops joined them. They all began to fall down together. Pit Pat said to Drip Drop, "That would be a place to land." So Pit Pat said, "Drip Drop, come," as raindrops on the earth. They both saw little stream flowing through some fields. They slid down on a rock and fell on a leaf, floating down the stream. Pit Pat said to Drip Drop, "This is fun. Smell the fresh air." Drip Drop said to Pit Pat, "Hey, we are going faster." After some time, the stream joined the river, and the river later joined the ocean. Drip Drop told Pit Pat, "We are moving slowly now. We are going to join the river." So Pit Pat said to Drip Drop, "Float back into the ocean." Every second, every day, millions of drops of water goes on this journey. When the sun shines brightly, they get very hot. They rise up as air in the sky, and they join other drops to form a cloud. Clouds fall on the earth as rain. So Pit Pat reached from where he had started. We are back in the ocean. This is how water cycle take place. We get rain on the earth. Pit Pat Drop started his journey from the ocean and returned back again in the ocean. So every second, every day, and millions of drops of water evaporates, and they go up in the air and they form a cloud. To this cloud comes the rain on the earth. So we get rain. So students, this was a journey of Pit Pat Raindrop. As these drops of water helps us to get rain, we also need to help others in need in our little ways that will bring happiness in our lives and in the lives of others. Due to rain, we can get water to drink, to cook our food, to grow our vegetable, grains. So when plants receive water, they give more fruits. So students, so this is how the water cycle goes on and how we get rain. And this lesson speaks about the story of Pit Pat and Drip Drop's journey. So students, you have to read this lesson aloud one time, and I will send you the exercises and the worksheet on the WhatsApp. Reading and explanation I will send on the YouTube. So study well, be safe, and read your lesson, as when we read aloud, we improve our reading skill. So bye and be safe and